This is Aska Tanveer with Cries of Kashmir. The Kashmir Solidarity Day that was observed on the 5th of February served as a powerful reminder of the ongoing struggle of the Kashmiri people. It is a day that transcends national borders and political differences, uniting people worldwide in a common determination to stand with the oppressed. For more than 7 decades, Kashmiris have endured immense suffering, their voices silenced by a military beyond their control. Yet, despite their long standing hardships, their struggle remains resilient, and their fight for freedom continues to inspire the world. Despite being a Muslim majority region, the state of Jammu and Kashmir faces numerous challenges. Maharaja Hari Singh, against the will of the Kashmiri people, chose to cede to India. The people of Kashmir were never given the opportunity to determine their own destiny and continue to live under Indian colonial rule. The atrocities committed against the people of Indian occupied Jammu and Kashmir are well documented massacres, mass arrests, torture, and the disappearances are just some of the horrors they endure daily. Yet, despite these immense challenges, their spirit remains unbroken. Kashmiris still dream of a future where they can live in peace, dignity, and freedom from oppression. The people of Kashmir were never given the opportunity to determine their own destiny and continue to live under Indian colonial rule. The atrocities committed against the people of Indian occupied Jammu and Kashmir are well documented massacres, mass arrests, torture, and disappearances are just some of the horrors they endure daily. Yet, despite these immense challenges, their spirit remains unbroken. Kashmiris still dream of a future where they can live in peace, dignity, and freedom from oppression. The day is dedicated to showing support for the people of Kashmir and reaffirming Pakistan's commitment to their cause. The solidarity shown by Pakistanis today is more than symbolic. It is an important reminder to the world that the Kashmir issue is not yet resolved and that the voice of the people of Kashmir deserves to be heard. Every year in Azad Jammu and Kashmir and Pakistan, people form a human change to symbolize their unbreakable bond with the Kashmiris. These events include speeches, seminars, songs, and prayers for justice and freedom for Kashmir. But Kashmir Solidarity Day is also celebrated beyond Pakistan's borders. Kashmiri people from other countries, including the UK, participated in the commemoration, raising awareness of the plight of Kashmir and calling for international intervention. The situation on the ground for the Kashmiris in Kashmir remains dire. They continue to live under military operation, their lives controlled by restrictions and constant surveillance. Calls for Kashmir's independence or integration with Pakistan have been suppressed by Indian Army. Despite repeated concerns, the international community has failed to take any significant steps to resolve the issue. The voices of the oppressed are often suppressed by regional interest, and the suffering of the Kashmiri people continues unabated. Their struggle is fueled by the unwavering belief in their right to self-determination, and their hope for a better future never fades.